Welcome back to Outside Office Hours. Today, we're going on a boat tour through Resurrection Bay in Seward, Alaska. This boat tour was one of our favorite parts of our trip to Alaska. The scenery was absolutely breathtaking, and right off the bat, we had the chance to see some of the local wildlife.
We saw sea otters and eagles so far. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Resurrection Bay is a stunning fjord known for its towering mountains, lush rainforests, and abundant wildlife. We saw many bald eagles, like the one you're seeing now. The bay is surrounded by rugged cliffs and glaciers, offering breathtaking views. It's part of Kenai Fjords National Park, making it a prime spot for nature lovers. Resurrection Bay was named by Alexander Baranov, a Russian trader, after he survived a storm there on Easter Sunday in 1792. Since then, the name has inspired countless songs and artistic works. The bay is a popular destination for kayaking, boat tours, and fishing, and the bay attracts adventurers looking to explore its pristine waters. One of our favorite parts of the boat tour was the part we got to explore by land. After a while on the boat, we were dropped off at Sandspit Point State Marine Park to explore. Seeing incredible wildlife was a common theme during this boat tour, so it made perfect sense that to end the day, we followed porpoises back to shore.
Yeah.
That's wild. Oh.
So
And it is good luck to get sprayed by the porpoise.
Okay.
It's good luck.
I'm trying to get the underwater.
Oh yeah.
But
So cool.
you like the porpoises?
I do. Those purposes.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more Outside Office Hours videos from Alaska.